Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a keyboard input delay when gaming on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side you just need to select accessibility. On right side scroll down and select a keyboard. And you just need to turn off filter keys guys. After turning off, just close it off here. If this doesn't fix your problem, then method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type control keyboard and click on OK. In repeat rate, you just need to drag this pointer to fast over here and select apply and OK for save changes. If this doesn't fix your problem, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command. Just copy and paste it and press enter. You just need to wait for this command to get done. After getting finished, you just need to close stuff here. If this doesn't fix your problem, then method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand this keyboard section and right click on your HID keyboard device and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. In here you just need to select a HID keyboard device and select next. After getting update done, just to close stuff here. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.